Hello guys, welcome to my channel Technical Amir Haider, and today we will learn about how to make Google Cloud RDP, how to take trial of Google Cloud RDP. So before starting the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then consider subscribing because I upload tech videos daily. So first of all, I will go to google.com and then I will search for Google Cloud trial. So I will click on the first link, cloud.google.com, and I will click on get started for free. I will select my country. I am from Pakistan, so I will select Pakistan. Terms of service, I agree. Business name, I will enter my details here. About my name is like Amir Haider, and I will enter my credit card details here. So I've already done this process. You should enter your credit card details here, and then you will click on start my free trial. After clicking on this start my free trial, you will navigate to this page. You will navigate to this main page, and here you will click on compute engine, then you will click on VM instances. Here I've already created two instances, but I will create another instance. Create instance. It's taking some time, wait for it. So yeah, here I'll select the region, like in which region I want this server. If like I'm from Pakistan and India is near me, India is the closest country, so the pings will much lower and I will get the maximum speed as possible. So I will click on Mumbai. But if you are from something like Canada, then you will click on US, because US is near to Canada and the pings will be much lower and you will get maximum speed with no drops. So I will click on Mumbai and general purpose. Here I'll select the RAM and the CPUs, like 2 CPUs, 1 GB RAM, 2 CPUs, 2 GB RAM. CPUs are actually the cores, like how many cores you want in your server. If you want 4 cores, you want 8 cores, and 32 GB RAM. You can also select the custom. For example, I want 8 cores and I want 16 GB RAM. So I can also select this, and this portion memory or optimize is for high end projects. It is high CPU with much more RAM and much more cores. Like this server, it is a beast. It's 40 cores and 1.88 TB memory, but I don't need that. I need just for my normal use. So I will click on E2 and I will click on 4 CPUs. So here you have $235 free trial credits remaining. So 118.71 monthly estimate. So this 4 core CPU will cost me around $108 monthly. I am in trial. I will not pay this for the for like I will use the $300 trial balance first, and after that I will pay them. Now I will click on Windows Server. Windows Server 2019 server with desktop experience. I will click on allow HTTPS traffic and I will click on create. but now I'm just making this video for educational purposes, so I will not create. But you will click on this button create, and boom, everything will be done. You will get your server. After clicking on create, then click on your instance, and set Windows password. Click on this one and click on set, then you will get your password. Then copy that password and paste it in a safer place. Now what you have to do is just wait a second, let me figure out. Now what you have to do is click on download this RDP file. You will click on download RDP file. Okay, the password which you were given here, you have to enter it right here, then click on continue, and that's all. You will be logged to your server. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.